30 to 60-day shipping times will kill your dropshipping business. As it's getting easier to shop online and businesses are speeding up deliveries, customers now expect the same speedy service. If you fall short, you might face angry emails, chargebacks, and bad store ratings, putting a dent in your online business's success. So the supplier you choose is a big deal for your online business. Today, I'll share the best alternatives to AliExpress to evade those 30 to 60-day shipping times and really boost your online business. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest tips and strategies for a successful e-commerce journey. Now, AliExpress is not the supply chain you're going to want to use if you find a winning product. See, AliExpress is good for finding and testing products, but once you have a product and you start scaling it, they are not reliable due to customers being unsatisfied with the product quality, getting returns because deliveries are taking too long, and orders seemingly just disappearing in transit. This will undoubtedly lead to your dropshipping business crashing and burning, because if customers are not receiving their products, then you have no business. Remember, you can have the best shipping times, but if the customer is unsatisfied with the product quality, you will end up back in the same position with unhappy customers. So you need to select a supplier that both optimizes on fast delivery times and high product quality. Now, my preferred supplier for dropshipping is Zendrop. Why Zendrop, you may ask? Well, one is because that it's free for your first 25 orders, and if you're like me who has a product with an AOV of $50, 25 times 50 for 25 orders is $1,250, which is more than enough to allow you to pay for the paid version, which is only $49 a month, and you get unlimited orders, automated fulfillment, and even the option to provide custom branding. Now, before we proceed into the website, I want to clarify that this video is not sponsored by Zendrop. This is a true account of my dropshipping journey and the supplier that I found best to deliver my products to my customers, with 9 to 16-day shipping for the product I'm currently selling worldwide here on Zendrop. Alright, so now you just want to type in zendrop.com. Once you create your account, you'll be redirected to the Zendrop homepage. I'm going to click I'll connect later because I already have my Shopify store connected to Zendrop, which we're gonna hop over to right now. But it's really simple to set up your store at Zendrop. They show you the instructions. It was pretty easy for me and should really be a no-brainer for you. Now we're here on the Zendrop account I use for the stores I am currently running. Now, if you remember in the last video, I was showing you guys how to do product research. We found a product which is a pet cat litter box that is portable, so your cat can essentially poop on the go when you're traveling with it in the car, and you can literally just open the window and pour out all the poop. So you just want to come here to find products, and then you just want to search for what your product is or the product name. Portable cat litter box. Let's see what shows up. Now, one thing about Zendrop is that it is going to have less variety than AliExpress. So if you're scaling a product already on AliExpress and you're trying to move over to Zendrop as a supplier, have no worries, because you can actually connect products from AliExpress, and Zendrop personally will find a supplier that will source that product for you to your store under Zendrop, so you'll still get all the benefits, shipping time, and high product quality. And to do that, you want to click import from AliExpress. Easily add a product to your store with an AliExpress link. Please note that we do not work with AliExpress to fulfill your orders. We only use AliExpress to gather product details to source your product directly from manufacturers. Now, that means that Zendrop has their own personal manufacturers, which they will hit up, ask them if they have that product, and if they do, boom, you're connected. As I said, once you get a sale for this product, you can request a quote for it. Since we work directly with the manufacturers producing these products, oftentimes we'll get a better price. You will actually be getting a better price than the price you're paying on AliExpress, which will subsequently decrease your cost of goods sold, increasing your profits. Now, here they have the Chrome extension. Let's open up the litter box that I found in the last video and simply click on extensions. Click Zendrop. Now, once we log in, you just want to click on the extension again. Click add to import list. Now, once it's finished gathering your product data, just head back to Zendrop and you will find your product in the My Orders tab. And as you can see right there, portable folding. Let's open that up. Portable folding travel, you get it, it's the foldable litter box. And remember, you can only make a quote for your product once you've gotten a first sale through the Zendrop connection, so keep that in mind. Now, one good thing about Zendrop is that you can view the actual product estimated shipping time and shipping price for each country from their China warehouse right here on the website. I'm just going to click on any random product. As you can see, shipping to Australia, $6.90, and the average shipping time is 14 days. United States, $6. Average shipping time 16 days. And for all the countries that aren't in this list, you can select other countries, and this is basically the rate I would recommend you to calculate when calculating your ROAS and your profit margins, everything like that. Use this one unless you're only selling in a specific country. And as you can see, the average shipping time for this vest would be 18 days. Now the next AliExpress alternative I have for you guys is CJ Dropshipping. Same as before, let's just come here and search cjdropshipping.com. Now once you create your account, you're going to be directed here to the home page where you can actually check the shipping calculations right here. So same thing, I'm going to look for the portable letterbox. Now let's just scroll down here. We can see product price is in between $7 and $10. I'm assuming those are for the different variants that the product has. And you can see down here the service fee, shipping fee, and the total price, which includes both estimated processing time 1 to 3 days for 80% orders, 4 to 8 days for 15% of orders, and over 8 days for only 5% of orders. So ideally your order should have been processed and sent out within 3 days. Now if you want to discover more, you can actually click on our services and then shipping, and you can see a lot of major shipping methods here, including a few big ones like USPS and ePacket. You can also click on warehousing, and here you can see that they have multiple warehouses in different countries. This allows you to select the warehouse that works best for you depending on the markets that you're appealing to. For example, if you wanted to sell a product in Germany or in surrounding countries of Germany, you'd actually select the Germany warehouse instead of the Britain warehouse, since it's closer by distance and thus the shipping times would be shorter. Now as you can see, my letterbox here is only available in the China warehouse, and still with the CJ Packet ordinary shipping method, it's going to reach in between 7 to 12 days. But once I open up this chart, we can see all the different kinds of shipping providers they offer. And I think the one with the least time would be DHL Official right here, with a total shipping cost of $32.47, which is a lot more expensive than the other options. But that 3-day shipping time will ensure that your customers are happy with their orders and may even become repeat customers, which is one of the most important parts in building a brand. Now for another product here that's in the US warehouse, you can select US warehouse, shipping to United States of America. And here the shipping times will be a lot more realistic, as it does not have to cross the ocean to reach your customer. So that 3 to 7 day shipping time is usually what you'd get using the US warehouse to US warehouse. Now personally, I have not used CJ Dropshipping because, as I said earlier, my supplier of choice is Zendrop, but CJ Dropshipping is also a really good alternative because it's actually free. Now it's finally time to wrap up this video. Those two suppliers are the only suppliers I would recommend to you guys, and I'm not going to sit here and lie to you about other suppliers that I do not trust just to lengthen the video out. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know down in the comments the suppliers that you guys use to fulfill your products. This is Nate2Page signing off, and have a successful e-commerce journey.